Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're not watching this. Who that? Do you remember him? He used to do YouTube. He used to do things on YouTube. He don't do things on YouTube anymore because he's too busy messing with things like that. Look. So, I'm in Scotland with my mate Tony, and we're just having a look at his Mark III Escort. It's a Mark I RS2000. See, I know my Escort's me, mate. Not messing around with me. So yeah, this is what he's currently restoring at the moment. And if you started tomorrow, how long do you reckon?
I reckon another 2-3 weeks.
2-3 weeks, he reckons, and he could put that.
No, just for prep and paint.
Oh, prep and paint. Oh, all right. I thought you meant running and driving, mate.
No. I reckon if I spent 5-6 days, 8 hours a day for the next 2-3 weeks, she should be in paint.
Should be in paint, right? Okay. That sounds like far too much prep work for me.
Is that working?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Oh, that's fine.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Screen.
Yeah. So you heard it here first. Next week, this is painted. What colour is it going to go?
It's white.
It's white.
It's diamond white.
Right. Okay. But on the logbook, it's green.
No.
So also as well, look, he tried to hide this from me, but that's his floor jig. That's how he put the floor in. He tried to hide it, but he thinks I don't know. So yeah, so we've got this. So I will show you this quickly. Don't look in there, there's rust in there. You know what I mean?
It's full of rust.
It's full of bog. Look at the brand new doors. And then I won't show the full number. Cover up some of the number.
Oh, yeah.
Cover up some of the number. So in fact, show me the end of it, because the end means the end is the thing in it. So that means it's number 273.
As far as I know.
Is that right? Yeah.
Yeah, as far as I know. Yeah.
So then this is on the logbook. It is a Ford Escort Mark I RS2000.
Correct.
It is the real deal.
There's not much left of it right now.
No, there's not much left of it. No, but it's had everything, and it's absolutely, yeah. I mean, for me, I don't know what he's saying about 2 weeks prep paint. I just paint that as it was. You know what I mean? Do you like that? It's flat. I can hear it. So yeah, he's got that. What's this in the corner? We've not even spoke about this yet.
Well, that's my son's Morris Minor pickup.
Morris Minor pickup.
Comes with a.
Look at the back of it.
It's a Fiat twin cam, 2 litre in it as well.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. Abarth 5-speed gearbox. It's got a 3 litre Capri back axle.
Jesus Christ!
Yeah. And that was in the paper many years ago.
Right, so this is like an old hero, is it? Yeah.
Yeah. And the original owner did try to buy it back, but Jordan's had it since he came back from Iraq.
Right.
He bought that.
So and what's his plan with it? To put it back? Is it
like
rusty or is it anything?
No, it's solid. It's just ready for. He's been doing some mod. He's been doing some mod cons like mod bits, like these tramp bars and anti-roll bars. And things like that.
Yeah.
He's rebuilt a spare engine for it as well with twin cam.
Right.
Which is all in his other garage. In his own garage. Ready to go back into this car as well. Wow. He's got new rings. He's got in the back. You see all the boxes there. Yeah. New rings and.
Right. Okay. Like but it's all solid.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, is that fiberglass or?
No. Steel.
Is that steel?
It's all steel. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
And then under there, what's that?
It's a Mark III.
Mark III. Mini.
That's all. Might get a wee peek.
Should we? Oh, look at this. We get sneak peeks and everything.
It's because I've been doing. I don't like prep and paint. I fucking hate it.
You love it. You love it.
I don't mind the painting bit, but see the prep work.
Yeah, I'm the same.
So what I've been doing is, you've seen the driveway. They're all covered up.
We'll go out there
because they're all welded.
Yeah.
Ready for prep and paint, but I just don't like doing it.
No.
So
I'll do it for you if you want. I'm amazing at it. Oh wow.
It's all brand new.
So you'd literally get them to the point and then go, I'm not painting it.
Yeah. So you can see it's all.
So I could have brought a trailer up, couldn't I? I could have taken that.
You could have done.
Could have taken that away.
The price is right.
Yeah, the price is right. I mean.
And if you look inside.
Can we see inside? I don't want you to move too many things. I mean, that bonnet's probably worth about £40. So.
I might better get it from the other side.
Let's have a look.
I wanted to show you the dashboard.
Okay.
It's something. It's not my idea.
Okay.
You know,
this is interesting.
I have seen it done from somebody. I don't know if it's on Facebook or it's on YouTube or something like that.
Right. I'm intrigued now. You literally have got it ready for paint, haven't you?
Yeah.
You just don't want to paint it.
I don't know if you can see that.
Let's have a look.
You come in that one.
Oh, someone done the centre conversion on it?
Me.
You did it?
Yeah, it's a Morris Minor.
Ah, right. Was it a lot of work?
No.
No?
No, it was actually not too bad. It was easier than I thought it would be, because I just used the original mini top dash rail.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I took off there's like 2 lips on the original Morris Minor.
Right.
Right, so I took the inner lip off,
right,
which is spot welded on.
Yeah.
Then matched it up to the mini one, described it,
and then
cut it,
and then
butt welded it together.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah.
And just made the end pieces myself, getting the infills.
Right.
You know, because that's got power steering as well. Oh, you never seen that, did you?
No.
No.
What has it got? Corsa C power
Corsa
steering?
B.
Corsa B, sorry, yeah. Corsa B power steering on it. Yeah, I've seen that done before. It's because it's EPS, isn't it? It's not.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think it's electronic. I think it's electronic.
Yeah.
From memory.
Yeah.
It's electronic. It's like a. It looks like a wiper motor, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
I've seen them. Yeah. And then there's this here. Look, this is going to be for sale, I believe, soon. If you can part with it.
Yeah.
So this is absolutely stunning. And if you'd do me finance, I'd probably take it. It is absolutely beautiful. So this is just waiting on a flat, a polish,
stripes,
and then stripes. Can we have a look at the engine?
Yeah. It's not a show car.
It is. It is. It's going to be a turbo under here. You'll see a big turbo in a minute. No. Yeah. So that'd be 1275.
1275. That's MPI.
MPI, yeah.
The last owner had it for 24 years.
Jesus.
Comes with a full service history.
Yeah, it comes with the original, not the original bill of sale, the one that you bought. Yeah, the guy that bought it. I've seen it. It's on a 98, isn't it? 96. 96 we discovered, yeah.
It's an MPI Sport.
MPI Sport. So that will be coming up for sale.
And it was from Minimart.
And it's from Minimart. It's absolutely gorgeous. And that's if you do finance, we'd be all right. 0% not for 5 years. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. It really, really is. So if you are looking for one,
and it's all original.
It is all original, yeah. The
only thing I've done to this car myself is change the seals. I've done 2 small patches on the foot, the foot pans at the front.
Oh yes.
Right, and one in the bottom.
Yeah,
corner.
We'll talk about the heel board, yeah.
And the replacement boot panel.
Yeah,
at the back end.
the boot repair panel, yeah.
But Minimart had done not Minimart. The Coachman's. I've got the receipts in.
Yeah, I've seen them. Yeah, so they did.
It's a Coachman's works. I've done the front panel and the inner wing.
Yeah.
Sorry, the front panel, wings, and scuttle. Yeah, they done them many years ago.
Yeah, and to be fair, they've done a bloody good job. To be fair, it looks well. Yeah, it looks really well. Right, so we won't go outside because we're not waterproof, and we're in Scotland. You see, and it rains. Yeah. I got told it don't rain in Scotland. So, what's underneath this one?
It's a 68.
68
Mini
that is going to cut up.
It's going to be converted to. I've always wanted to convert a saloon into a pickup.
Yeah, so he's going to convert that into a pickup. So you can all cry about that later.
The reason why, I'll explain it, because the reason why I'm doing that is because I bought it on eBay a good few years ago now. Believed it was a 68.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm into the pickups, not into saloons. And obviously with a few friends and blah blah blah, it turns out it's been it's had a roof conversion or something like this down the lines.
Yeah.
So it's not. Yeah, it's a 68 on the logbook, but
Yeah.
it's not original 68. So
None of them are.
well, yeah. So
None of them are.
that's the reason why.
Yeah.
You know, and it'll be kept for myself as well. That's the reason why I'm going to do that. And I've always wanted to do a proper conversion from a saloon.
Yeah.
You know, into a pickup. Cause you can see, you know, you can spot away. You know, you can spot a pickup conversion on these modern.
Yes, you can. Yeah.
You know, because there's no external hinges.
Yes, that's right.
You know, the A pillar. You know, the A panels are all different.
Yes. Yeah.
Blah blah blah.
Yeah.
So,
well, we were discussing it earlier, weren't we? We were saying that the fact is that I've sat in a pickup and I wasn't very impressed because I think they're just a lot smaller inside.
well, they are because you can't.
Yeah, you can't
move
recline the seat back, so they are, to me, they feel, but Tony likes them for some reason.
Yeah, I like them.
And then that is a mini pickup.
Yeah. Again.
I don't want. So what's this then? What condition's this in? Oh, we can't see. No, we won't.
Oh, you can see
Oh yeah.
that's the.
Oh, so it's painted underneath.
Yeah, it's all been stone chipped and painted.
But
Again,
you've just not painted it.
No, because I don't like preps. So
Right.
I've left it as that.
And then this one, I really want to buy this. Really, really want to buy this. This is a bit of me, this.
This is just.
Is it open?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what we were saying about that interior. That interior, I remember that from my first Mini.
This was done for my grandson.
Right.
But it's been left out here now for about, I don't know, year and a half maybe.
Yeah. So it's got a tiny bit of rust coming through.
As they do. So
in the bottom.
It's going to be taken back into the garage.
Yeah.
Once I've got my Escort painted.
But it's gorgeous, isn't it? 1275.
1275.
1275, yeah. It's an external catch, isn't it?
Is it?
I think so. I know more about minis than you.
The reason why that is because I wanted to make it look like a Mark 1.
I know more about minis than you, mate. I don't even like them. Oh yeah, that's been sat a while, hasn't it?
Yeah. Again, that's our new inner wings.
Right.
New wings, new front panel.
Yep.
Original bulkhead. I've just done some repairs on that.
Right.
New scuttle.
Yeah.
Because again, it was not supposed to be. You know, it was just a budget build. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
It wasn't. Supposed
Well, let's
to
go
be,
back inside before
because
we
it was going to be from a grandson. So obviously, you know, if you had an accident or something, you know, there's nothing to worry about.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I do like that though. I think we should have a deal on that. But
I'll tell you what, once it's washed and polished, it'll be just it'll be good as new. But just because it's been lying out there for so bloody long, you know. So, but my pride and joy is it's got to be my Escort now.
Yeah, that's your baby in it now.
So I want to get her done. You know what I mean? Once you get the filler work done and the primer on, you know, you're halfway there. You know.
Yeah. Oh, definitely. Yeah, definitely. I mean, like I say, for me, that's ready for paint, but I know what you're like, so. And the thing is with these things, this particularly, it's got to be right, hasn't it? Because of the heritage it's got.
Well, I just want to try and do my best.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah,
I'm
but
no expert.
Nah, I don't
know what I mean.
Yeah,
you know, but I just wanted it to be, you know, because I've started on the other side, and I've worked my way around the car. As you can see, it's in grey primer, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And you know, so I've gone over every panel.
Yeah.
You know, any dents and blah blah. I've tried to hammer them out. If not, I need to fill with them.
Yeah,
blah,
of course.
blah, blah.
Yeah.
So I've done all that. And
is it original roof?
No, it's brand new roof.
Right. Okay. Oh yeah, I see the spot wells here. Actually,
the only what's left on this car originally is
go on, go on.
Is the dash.
Wow.
Right, the dashboard, the windscreen pillars.
Yeah.
The back panel here.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
And the inner quarter panels.
Jesus.
The roof framing.
Oh yeah.
Everything else is brand new.
Wow.
It's got a brand new chassis from front to back. You can probably see from here, which I made a jig up when I bought the car. For all the pickup points.
Oh yeah.
You know, so you got your pickup points from here and the back end for your suspension, and then also from here. Well, I've taken it off now, but you can see the two bolts.
Yeah.
For your cost members, that goes into there.
Right.
And that was all made up from the frame as well.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But again, it's all been
so
stone chipped. And
I've not asked you this. Have you got everything for this? Everything.
Apart from front seats.
Front seats, and we were talking sun visors.
Some visors.
Some
yeah.
visors, yeah.
I mean, you have to source stuff, manage to source
Yeah,
everything.
yeah, and we were talking earlier. You've got everything ready to go into it, and as well, like your sort of thing, like your heater box is painted.
Everything's painted.
Yeah, everything's painted, ready to go. So, and then is this the engine? Can we have a look at the engine?
Yeah, that's the. I've done nothing to the engine yet.
Right. Are you going to do the engine work or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the original engine as well that came with the car. That's not the right. That's not the right thing for that, I don't think. But that's the original engine that came from the car.
Right.
It's got the original engine number on it as well.
So, which matches the chassis number, doesn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's.
So I know all the perverts will be loving that. And then we're talking. You're going to swap the inlet manifold out, aren't you?
Twin 45s.
To twin 45s.
If not, I can always put it back to the car, but it's
Well,
no problem, you know.
Yeah, but
You know, it's there, you know.
yeah,
what I mean?
yeah, of course you've got it, haven't you? That's the
Yeah,
thing. It's
you know.
having it, innit?
Yeah.
If you don't have it,
It doesn't work, change it.
Yeah.
I'll just put it
Yeah.
back to original, you know.
yeah.
The thing is, I think it's the.
And they got a big sump on them.
Yeah, big wing sump. Yeah, that's the alloy sump. That's the. Yeah, that's the original sump.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah.
I'm not. I mean,
They used to make them years ago, you know. They used to make the big wing sumps and stuff.
Yeah.
You can buy them, the original big wing sumps, but they're rare.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But these were the RS2000 sumps on that.
So yeah, I think that's it, innit?
Yeah.
Apart from, I've fallen in love with these. Look at these. Look at the size of them. And they're off an old Ford, aren't they?
I think they're off an old Ford.
Yeah, he's had them years, but they're off an old Ford. I think they're absolutely awesome.
Again, they're my sons. They're my sons.
Yeah.
Wheels. He's had them for years.
I think that's proper cool.
You know.
Right, so that is a guy who used to do YouTube called Friday Night Garage. I keep trying to get him back on YouTube. But
I can't do it though.
why?
I can't download stuff. I'm useless. My son used to do it. You see.
I know, I remember that. Yeah, I was
You
saying
know,
that. Yeah.
and, I've got no patience for this. You know what I mean? So now I stick to Facebook.
Yeah, he does updates on Facebook. Yeah.
Just do it.
And then
a couple of snaps, and that's you.
He'll put a picture up. He'll put a couple of pictures up, and then there'll just be a stupid comment from me underneath saying, "I'm on my way" or something like that. To come pick it up.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's it. That is going to be for sale very soon. That's never for sale.
No.
That's never for sale.
No, that's for sale.
And the grey one I'm probably
In fact,
buying.
he gave that to my mum, to my wife,
Right.
right? But
Yeah, only because
reason-
you do it for him. That's why. It's not daft.
no, I think the only reason why he done that is because he knows that. You know, if it was mine, I'll probably sell it, but I wouldn't sell it. You know
No,
because
no.
that's his pride and joy.
It's
you know
cool
what I mean?
though, isn't it? It's
You know what I
proper cool.
Well, he's like yourself. He's got a young, he's got a young family,
Yeah.
and you know what it's like with young kids.
These mates hard
You know,
work.
freaking money's tight.
Money
you know what I
and
mean?
time. That's the
Yeah,
thing.
you
You're
know what I mean?
retired, mate. You're all right, you.
But I want to do that for him.
Really?
I really do. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
because I've kept the original bed for it. It was
Right.
made out of MDF,
right,
but I wanted to do it in aluminium.
lovely. Yeah.
So I've kept all the parts off that
So
to
you
make
can
a
make
new
a-
bed for
yeah,
that.
yeah,
Do
yeah,
you know what
yeah.
I mean? But again, that's all welded. That is solid.
Is that ready to go? Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's been ready for years.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And it's been dry stored.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's never been left outside in the rain.
I think it's
You
proper
know?
cool. It's proper cool.
And but that goes like that's burnt off Type R's, by the way.
Really?
Yeah. He's come back from Stirling
Yeah.
up to the cricket ground in Iowa into the body. They both pulled over to the lay-by. Guy got out of the car. I said, "What the f you got in that car?"
I do like a sleeper.
Because he kept up with this Type
Yeah,
R
yeah.
all the way.
Yeah, I
And
do
the
like
guy
a
just
sleeper.
couldn't. What's his old friggin' Morris?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you know, but it's a fun car. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
I think
fun.
it's proper cool.
You
I think
know?
it's proper cool.
It's old school.
Yeah, it's
That's what I
proper.
like.
That is proper old school. That's old school.
Yeah, but
to me,
that's-
I know that's like modern for you.
Yeah, that is. But
That's modern for you. That's proper old
that's
school.
stuff when I was a kid.
Yeah,
You know
yeah.
what I mean? That was
Yeah.
big.
Did they have colour TVs there?
Oh, just.
Right, I shall leave you to it. Thank you very much. Thanks for letting me tour around the garage. It's bigger than I thought, you know.
Yeah,
Usually when you get there, they're smaller, but I've been to a couple of
Oh.
people's garages and they're smaller than you think.
I've done a wee bit of a spring clean, not much. But I've done a wee bit.
And then he's got loads of storage upstairs with all his
Yeah.
Escort parts in. So yeah, thank you very much, Tony.
You're welcome.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you. Bye bye.